Experiencing issues receiving emails with your Optus account? You're not alone. This section will address the most common causes, including IMAP sync problems, SMTP outages, and Mailbox full errors. First, check Optus's official status page at status.optus.com.au or their app for any reported outages. If the system is operational, verify your IMAP settings. The incoming server should be mail.optusnet.com.au on port 993 with SSL. Clear your email client's cache in applications like Outlook or Thunderbird. For SMTP issues when unable to send emails, the outgoing server is mail.optusnet.com.au on port 587 with TLS and authentication required. As a temporary fix during outages, use Optus Webmail at webmail.optusnet.com.au. Also, make sure your mailbox isn't full. Optus offers 10 gigabytes of free storage. Upgrade to a premium plan for more space, or delete old emails via webmail to free up storage. If issues persist, reset your password through the My Optus portal. Incorrect settings and full mailboxes are the primary reasons for this issue, according to statistics. To effectively troubleshoot Optus email issues, it's important to understand the fundamentals of email protocols. These are the technical standards that govern how emails are sent, received, and managed. IMAP, or Internet Message Access Protocol, syncs emails across multiple devices while keeping them stored on the server. This means you can access your emails from any device, and changes are reflected everywhere. POP, or Post Office Protocol, downloads emails to a single device and typically deletes them from the server. This protocol is becoming less common, and Optus plans to phase it out by 2027 in favor of more modern alternatives. SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is responsible for sending emails from your device to the recipient's mail server. It's the protocol that makes outbound email delivery possible. Mailbox full errors happen when your email storage limit is exceeded. Optus provides 10 gigabytes of free storage, but users can upgrade to larger plans if needed. Several important trends are affecting Optus email users and contributing to common issues. One major trend is the increasing frequency of mailbox full errors due to rising volumes of spam and bulk emails. Statistics show that 25% of Optus users hit their storage limits every month. Additionally, telco email services like Optus experience more downtime compared to big tech alternatives like Gmail or Outlook. This highlights the importance of having backup options. Looking ahead, Optus has ambitious plans to improve their email service reliability. By 2028, Optus aims to achieve 99.9% uptime through advanced AI monitoring systems and server decentralization. This represents a significant improvement in reliability. For better reliability, enable IMAP over POP protocols. Also, users should consider webmail alternatives like Gmail for redundancy during any service disruptions.